Problems involving number bases. Let's look at a sample exam question. Aziz spends a total of 13 for ringgit in base 6 on an admission ticket and a souvenir at a zoo. The admission ticket costs 5 squared x ringgit and the souvenir costs 8 ringgit. Find the value of x. This is a 3-mark question. The total amount spent is in base 6, while the unit prices of the admission ticket and the souvenir are in base 10. Write down the relation. 5 squared x plus 8 is equal to 13 for base 6. You will gain 1 mark for writing the relation. Equate the base on both sides by determining the value of 13 for base 6. Another mark is given here. Next, rewrite 5 squared x and solve the equation. 1 more mark is for the final answer. It is not as complex as it looks.